Namaskar, Vadakkam, good morning to everyone present here. It's a great day in the history of KV number 1 Chamera and KV INS Dronacharya Mundaveli, Kochi, as the students from both the schools are going to interact under the flagship scheme Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. So we have with us Principal KV and INS Dronacharya, Shrimati R. Ramadevi, officiating Principal KV number 1, Chamera in Chamba district, Shri S.L. Yadav sir. Besides their presence, we also have the representative teachers from both the schools. And I extend a hearty welcome to all the participants from KV1 Chamera and KV INS Dronacharya who have wholeheartedly accepted the invitation to come together onto this virtual mode to have interaction, to know more about each other's state under the flagship program Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. There is a famous quote by one of a prominent Urdu poet, Gar barwe zaminast, Gar barwe zaminast, amiyast, amiyast, amiyast. If there is a heaven on this earth, it is here, it is here, it is here. And this particular quote is quite relevant to the beautiful states Himachal Pradesh and Kerala. Whereas Himachal Pradesh is known as Devabhumi, the land of gods. At the same time, Kerala, a beautiful state in the southern part of India, is known as God's own country. They may be quite far away in terms of distance from each other, but the feeling of being united in a country called India, which is rich in cultural heritage and languages, we are together. And this Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat program has brought us onto the platform where we can exchange our ideas, cultural heritage, भाषा, language. So मैं आप सभी का सादर आपका आमंत्रण स्वीकार करती हूँ और आप सभी का यहाँ पे वेलकम करती हूँ कि आप सभी ने अपने वैल्यूएबल टाइम से टाइम निकाल के हमारे इस प्रोग्राम में पार्टिसिपेट किया. So today we will have the children from both the schools to participate. In the sequence we have a beautiful Himachali song sung by Neha Narayanan of class 11th C, Farman Gunavar of 9th A, and Gifty Mary of 11th A. So I request the three participant students to kindly present a beautiful Himachali song.
निक्की निक्की नालो चिलांदे डालो पानाते बगदे झरने हो ऊंचे ऊंचे पहाड़े ठंडा ठंडा मौसम एता कुदरत करने हो निक्की निक्की नालो चिलांदे डालो पानाते बगदे झरने हो ऊंचे ऊंचे पहाड़े ठंडा ठंडा मौसम एता कुदरत करने हो ऊंचे ऊंचे पहाड़े ठंडा मौसम एता कुदरत करने हो.
घूमे आए शांत देश विदेश घूमे आए शांत देश विदेश कुत्ती मणि मिले आए आंचल हो कुत्ती मणि मिले आए आंचल हो जितु जन जाओ खूब कमाओ फूल नानी अपना हिमाचल हो जितु जन जाओ खूब कमाओ फूल नानी अपना हिमाचल हो. कांगड़े दी धाम कन्ने हमीरपुर दा बेसन चल लगे जिया कश मेरे आला केसर चाय पत्तिया दे भाग तुहा दिखने पलमपुर दिखने बर्फ नजारे हो भोले दे दर्शन कुत्ती मानी मिलने जय मानी होना उत्तरांचल हो भोले दे दर्शन कुत्ती मानी मिलने जय मानी होना उत्तरांचल हो जितु जन जाओ खूब कमाओ फूल नानी अपना हिमाचल हो जितु जन जाओ खूब कमाओ फूल नानी अपना हिमाचल हो फूल नानी अपना हिमाचल हो फूल नानी अपना हिमाचल हो. धन्यवाद.
बहुत ही सुंदर प्रस्तुति केंद्रीय विद्यालय आईएनएस द्रोणाचार्य के विद्यार्थियों की तरफ से। यहाँ पर एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत के महत्व को बताते हुए केरला के छात्र गा रहे हैं हिमाचल प्रदेश का गाना। धन्यवाद छात्रों। Now I would like to request Shweta Madhu to present a very beautiful PowerPoint presentation on the food culture of Himachal Pradesh. As you all know that food is very important and it talks volumes about the rich cultural heritage of a state, geographical location of a state. So I hand over the screen and the mic to Shweta Madhu to show her PowerPoint presentation.
Ma'am, is my screen visible?
Yes, Shweta, it's visible.
Thank you. Good morning to one and all. Today I'm here to talk about food culture of Himachal Pradesh. So let me take you to the Dev Bhumi, land of gods, Himachal. Himachal Pradesh is not only famous for its immense scenic beauty, temples, traditions, etc., but also for its food culture. If we don't talk about the Himachali Dham in it, then this topic is totally incomplete. Dham is a food festival of Himachal Pradesh. Basically, it is a pure vegetarian midday meal that is filled with nutrients and also tastes so delicious. Earlier, dham used to be served only in temples, but nowadays it is being served as meal on special occasions such as weddings. There are 4 types of dham: Kangri dham, Mandyali dham, Chambiali dham, and Bilaspuri dham. Dham are prepared by special cooks who are known as Boti, and they are Brahmins. Boti cooks dham in special kitchens known as Rasyalu. Dham is being prepared only in brass vessels which are known as charoti. Till date, dham is always cooked on wood fire. It is because they still follow traditions to preserve its purity. Dham is served in handmade leaf plates which are known as pattal. People sit in a row which is called pent and have their dham on pattal. So let's see what are the dishes served on pattal in Kangri dham. So this is how a complete Kangri dham looks. Matar paneer and rajma are the 2 common dishes of North India. Kaddu ka katta, mukund and bhi, these are the side dishes of rice in dham. Madra and katta mahini, these are the 2 main dishes which gives the whole dham its Himachali flavor. Meetha chawal. At last, to give a finishing sweet touch to the whole Himachali dham comes meetha chawal, that is sweet rice which is prepared with sugar syrup and assorted with all Indian spices like green cardamom, clove, cinnamon, kesar, etc. This is how the Himachali dham is prepared, served and relished. Hope that you get a chance to taste it too. Now, let me give you a brief on food culture of God's own country, Kerala. Sadhya is a feast of Kerala origin and of great importance of culture to all Malayalis, consisting of a variety of traditional vegetarian dishes served on a banana leaf in Kerala as lunch. It is typically served as a traditional dish in Kerala, especially on Onam festival. This is how a complete Kerala Sadhya looks. In Himachali Dham, the dham is served on pattal, whereas in Kerala Sadhya, Sadhya is served on banana leaves. Thank you. This was a presentation prepared by Kirtana Rao of 11A and presented by myself, Shweta Madhu of 11C. Hope you like the presentation.
Beautiful presentation on food, and it actually is mouth-watering because it reminds me of my days in Himachal Pradesh, and now presently I'm in Kerala and enjoying Sadhya here. I would like to bring to the information all the participants that I happen to stay in Himachal Pradesh for some time, and I would also like to tell Principal KV number 1 Chamera that I was having an interaction program long time back as a student of Kendriya Vidyalaya under Ghimuram Sir Jaryal when he was TGT Social Studies, who was my class teacher in class 10. And also have the privilege of inspecting KV number 1 Chamera way back in 2004 as an official when I was working in a army educational branch in Dharamshala. So it's a privilege for me as it is an interaction program where all of us have been brought together on one platform. And sir, I would like to tell you that time Mr. Etreja was the principal when I visited, but now I have joined KVS as a teacher. So it's a very nice way that we are bringing everyone under the same tent of platform Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. Beautiful Shweta Kirtana. And now I'm going to the place Himachal, and I know the children of Himachal Pradesh are eagerly waiting to showcase their talent. So we have with us the students from KV number 1 Chamera, who are going to present a beautiful song which they have prepared under the able guidance of their music teacher, Mr. Chandra Mohan. So I request the participants to kindly present their program. The names of the participants are Ishani of 5th standard, Vani of 10th standard, and Somadari of 10th standard. Over to you, children.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Vani Dhiman of class 10th.
And I am Ishani Dhiman of class 5th.
Of KV Kendra Vidyalaya Chamera 1 Kheri. We are presenting a Malayalam patriotic song Janmakarini Bharatam with its music track. इस गीत में भारत के लोगों की एकता, विविधता तथा भाईचारे की बात की गई है। इस गीत में समस्त विश्व को ये संदेश दिया गया है कि भारत के लोग किसी भी प्रांत से हों, समुदाय से हों, रंग रूप के हों, किंतु जब देश की बात आती है तो हम सब एक हैं।
जन्मकारिणि भारतम् कर्ममेदिनि भारतम् जन्मकारिणि भारतम् कर्ममेदिनि भारतम् निर्मलां जनपूजितम् अम्मयागिय भारतम् जन्मकारिणि भारतम् कर्ममेदिनि भारतम् ഇലമന്നണി മാമല ചൂടിയ തങ്കിടവും ഉടലിലും സസ്യശ്യാമല ശാദ്വല കോമല കഞ്ചുകവും തലയിലമന്നണി മാമല ചൂടിയ തങ്ക കിരീടവും ഉടലില് സസ്യശ്യാമല ശാദ്വല കോമല കഞ്ചുകവും കലുത്തനാനാ നദികളെ ചാട്ടിയ പൂമണിമാലകളും കാണുക കാണുക ജന്മഭൂവിന കോമലമലമേനി ജന്മകാരണി ഭാരതം कर्ममेदिनि भारतम् നാനാ ഭാഷകളമൃതം മൊഴിയും നാവും പുഞ്ചിരിയും നാനാദേശക്കാരുടെ നാനാവേഷത്തിനൊളിയും നാനാ ഭാഷകളമൃതം പൊലിയും നാവും പുഞ്ചിരിയും വീരപുരാതൻ സംസ്കാരത്തിൻ വേരോടും മണ്ണും പാരിലെ ശാന്തി വടത്തും വിത്തും അമ്മ തന്നേട്ടം ജന്മകാരിണി ഭാരതം ആ കർമ്മമേദിനി ഭാരതം ജന്മകാരിണി ഭാരതം ആ കർമ്മമേദിനി ഭാരതം. धन्यवाद.
Very nice presentation by the students of KV1 Chamera. That shows that how much effort they have taken to present this beautiful Malayalam song. I would also like to appreciate an individual effort taken by the children. Malayalam is not a very easy language to learn. It took me around 10 years to learn a few sentences in Malayalam. So children have done it within a very short period of time. Congratulations to the children who sang this beautiful Malayalam song. Now moving on to the next part of our interaction program is actually now the children from both the schools will be talking to each other, and they will try to interact and make each other learn the language. Like Himachal Pradesh students can translate the same sentence in Himachali, and the children from KV INS Dronacharya may try to help the children of Himachal to learn a sentence in Hindi or English and translate it to Malayalam. So I have the interaction team with me. So from KV INS Dronacharya, I have Omkar Bagmare from 9th A, Mary Ridya of 8th A, Aisha Hina of 9th A, Sayuj K. Sujit of 9th A, Shruti KK of 11th. Whereas from KV number 1, Chamera, we have Tanishtha of 11th A, Anjali of 11th C, and Jeshna of 10th. So I'll be inviting one by one to the students. Okay, so I'll start with Sayuj K. Sujit and Tanishtha from KV1 Chamera 11th A, so that they can learn each other's language. So I invite Sayuj K. Sujit of 9th A, KV Dronacharya, Tanishtha of 11th A, KV1 number 1 Chamera. They can turn on the video and also unmute their devices.
आपका नाम क्या है? And in Malayalam we say താങ്കളുടെ പേരെന്താണ്? And मेरा नाम सायुज है. And in Malayalam we say എൻ്റെ പേര് സായുജ് ആണ്. आप कैसे हैं? And we say आप कैसे हैं? And we say it in Malayalam as താങ്കൾ സുഖമായിരിക്കുന്നു.
तनिष्ठा, आप जवाब दे सकती हैं हिंदी में. सायुज ने अपना पहला प्रश्न पूछा, आपका नाम क्या है? तनिष्ठा, you can talk in Himachali to answer. तनिष्ठा, if you are there. सायुज, एक बार दोबारा से ये सारे सेंटेंसेस बोलिए.
Okay ma'am. आपका नाम क्या है? In Malayalam we translate it as താങ്കളുടെ പേര് എന്താണ്? मेरा नाम सायुज है. And in Malayalam we translate it as എൻ്റെ പേര് സായുജ് എന്നാണ്. Then आप कैसे हैं? We translate it as താങ്കൾ സുഖമായിരിക്കുന്നു.
Thank you, Sayuj. So I request any one participant from our KV1 Chamera, either talk in Hindi or Himachali or English, whatever language they feel comfortable to talk to our students. So I have 3 children from KV number 1 Chamera, so they can Tanishtha, Anjali and Jishna. Can you please unmute your devices, all the 3 children?
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. Jishna? Yes, Jishna.
मेरा नाम जीसना है.
अच्छा, अगर हम इसे हिमाचली में बोलना चाहें तो कैसे बोल सकते हैं?
Ma'am, in Himachal we generally use Hindi only, but with a Himachali dialect.
Yeah, which with Himachali dialect, and I would also like to bring to the information of everyone. Himachal has three dialects: Chambiali, Mandyali, and Kangradawali Pahadi language. So I being stayed there, so I can make it out whether it is Chambiali or Mandyali or Kangra Bhasha. But for an outsider, they will all be Himachali languages. But the main language of Himachal is Hindi. Okay, so I'll be inviting next Aisha Hina. Aisha Hina, you can interact with the three participants from KV number 1 Chamera. If you want to talk to anyone, yes.
I would like to ask them, I didn't have an opportunity to visit there, so could you explain आप लोगों की भूमि और आसपास की विशेषताएं?
Aisha, please repeat your question again. I request the participants to mute their devices. Let these children have interaction. If teachers are using some mobile or something, they can mute the device and they can have conversation. Thank you. So these children, Aisha Hina and the three participants from Himachal Pradesh. Yeah, children, please continue.
Okay, I couldn't have an opportunity to visit there, so I would like to ask you,
Ma'am, I'm sorry, but the voice is not at all audible.
Okay, I'll say Aisha Hina is asking you कि हिमाचल की मुख्य भाषा क्या है. आयशा कभी हिमाचल प्रदेश नहीं आई है और अगर वो आए तो वहां की कौन सी ऐसी जगह है जहां उसे जाना चाहिए. उसका प्रश्न ये है.
In Himachal, we usually speak Hindi, and if we visit Himachal, we should surely visit Shimla.
Okay. Aisha, by next time you should make a visit to Shimla, followed by the other districts of Himachal. Okay, Aisha. Do you have any other question, Aisha?
Yes, ma'am. One more. Could you please say what are you being following for your tradition, and when you are childhood, from what are you seeing that is being followed in your family or your surroundings?
Aisha, please repeat your question.
I would like to ask you, what is the tradition or the thing that you see by, followed by your family as a tradition?
Okay. Aisha is asking, mention any one or two traditions which you are following in Himachal, which are prevalent in your family. Any one of the participants from KV number 1 Chamera can answer, then we'll have a vice versa conversation. Anyone interested? Okay, Aisha, there are so many family traditions in Himachal. Okay, and rituals are being followed, whether it is a child birth or it is a wedding or it is a religious ceremony over there. And I would also like to mention there is a very good temple in Chamba district, Bharmor. If I'm not wrong, Bharmor is in Chamba district. And there is a famous lake, Mani Mahesh Lake. मैंने पीछे अपने I have used a Google image on as my background. It is called Dhauladhar. If you go on a trekking on Dhauladhar, you will find Mani Mahesh Yatra. You can start from Dharamshala, Biklodganj, and on the top of the Dhauladhar, you can go to Chamba district. So we'll have now turn for the KV1 Chamera students. केंद्रीय विद्यालय चमेरा के बच्चों से अनुरोध है कि अगर उनके कोई प्रश्न है तो वो इन बच्चों से पूछ सकते हैं.
मैम.
हाँ जी बच्चे, प्लीज बोलिए. आप किसी से भी पूछ सकते हैं, बच्चे आपका जवाब देंगे.
मैम, what are the different monuments and heritage sites in Kerala that we should visit for educational purposes to understand our rich and cultural history better?
Okay, I request the participant students from KV Dronacharya, if anyone is interested, can unmute and answer Somadri. Somadri wants to visit Kerala and she wanted to know the historical monuments in Kerala to visit.
We here have different temples. In Guruvayur, religious temple in one of the districts, Pathanamthitta, that is Sabrimala. Next we have Modi, which is 320 from Kanyaskumari.
Okay, thank you, Aisha. Aisha said there are a number of temples, famous temples, Swami Padmanabhan temple in Trivandrum, Guruvayur temple in Thrissur district and Sabrimala temple in Pathanamthitta district are famous for their religious importance. You can come to Kerala, and if you're making a plan, do let us know, we'll host you. Okay, so I am here in Kerala for the last 13 years. So I love this place a lot. Now, any other participant from KV number 1, Chamera, who would like to ask a question? Any other participant student? Now I would like to request Omkar. Omkar, if you have any questions.
Ma'am, I have a question to the Chimera KV students. Like, how many states are, how many districts are there in Himachal Pradesh?
There are 12 districts in Himachal Pradesh.
Okay. So, Omkar, I hope you have got your answer. 12 district. Himachal Pradesh is a beautiful state, distributed in 12 districts according to Jasna. Okay. Any other participant child, if wants to interact, they can.
Ma'am, can I ask you that?
Yes, yes, of course.
Hi, myself Mariam. I have a doubt that is there any special dance performed in Himachal?
Mary Ridya, please repeat your question. It was not audible.
Ma'am, I was asking that is there any special dance performed in Himachal Pradesh?
Yeah, very beautiful question. Yes, any one participant from Chamera school, can you please answer? My girl Mary Ridya wanted to know about dance of Himachal.
Ma'am, in Himachal Pradesh, we have this dance called Nati, where groups of people playing like and they dance to melodious rhythms and songs in any age occasion. And then it is called traditional Nati, and there's
Okay.
for it.
Thank you, Somadri, for answering. Himachal Pradesh famous dance is Nati, and the festival is Kullu Ka Dashera, which is in Kullu state, Kullu district of Himachal Pradesh. So now interaction program is over. I thank all the participant students that they have learned a little from each other in the interaction, and you can carry on this legacy of interaction in future as well by interacting with people from various states. And I would like to applaud the KVS policies where the children are given importance to enrich themselves with the various languages of India under the flagship scheme program called Bhasha Sangam, and it is also added in Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat this year. So thank you, children. Now moving on to the next one. We have a beautiful dance presentation. As one of the participants said, the famous dance of Himachal is Nati. So we have Ananya Joseph of 9th A who has prepared a dance. I hope you would like it. Can any participant confirm that the video is being shared?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you liked the video. This is prepared by Ananya Joseph of class 9th A. And I hope you are able to see it. We have even recorded the video. We'll share it in the group in case if due to some technical issues or internet problem, it's not visible to you. So thank you, Ananya Joseph, for accepting the challenge of preparing the Himachali dance within such a short notice. And I hope Principal Sir of KV1 Chamera, teachers and participants of KV number 1 Chamera have liked the programs presented by the KV INS Dronacharya students. So moving on, we have the heads of institutions with us. One is from Ernakulam region and the other one is from Himachal Pradesh. So I would like to invite Shri S.L. Yadav, officiating principal, KV number 1 Chamera, and Shrimati R. Ramadevi, principal in charge, Kendriya Vidyalaya, INS Dronacharya, Kochi. So I request both of them to interact and say a few words on this occasion of Ek Bharat, Shreshth Bharat interaction program. Sir and Madam together.
Let me request Yadav sir to talk to you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir.
Ma'am, basically I am from Rajasthan and not aware about the Himachal and Kerala. आज मैंने यहाँ बैठ के दोनों स्टेट्स के कल्चर्स के बारे में इतना सीखा कि मुझे एहसास नहीं हुआ कि मैं राजस्थान से हूँ। केवीएस का जो कंसेप्ट था एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत, जिसमें एक दूसरे स्टेट्स के बारे में हमें पता करना था, और मैं छात्रों को बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ कि उन्होंने इतना अच्छा मेहनत किया। प्रेजेंटेशन और म्यूजिक और डांस के बारे में हमें दोनों स्टेट्स के बारे में अवगत कराया, इसके लिए इन बच्चों को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Yadav sir. That is what called ना एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत, कण कण से मिलके बना है भारत। और आप चाहे राजस्थान से हैं, मैडम चाहे अपने केरला से है, मैं पंजाब से हूँ, लेकिन मैंने बहुत सारी स्टेट्स में काम भी किया है। और देखिए केरला में 13 साल से बैठी हूँ और बहुत अच्छी जगह है। आप भी आइए, बच्चों को भी बताइए कि कभी घूमने आए तो हमें बताएं। यही है भारत की मेन मोटो कि पूरे भारतवर्ष को एक जगह इकट्ठा करना, to bring unity in diversity. So now I would like to request our honorable principal in charge, Madam Shrimati Ramadevi, to kindly address the students and bless us all.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Really a pleasant experience for me to join such a unique program. And I'm very much thrilled that India is sitting on this platform. First of all, let me tell you, this Yugma our veteran English teacher, for organizing this program. Mrs. Margaret Paul, PGT Economics, who is the senior most teacher, has planned the program and could materialize with the presence of our young participants and the coordinating teachers. We have heard a lot about Himachal Pradesh, the snow-laden province, which is a state in the northern part of India, situated in the western Himalayas. So as far as I know, it is one of the 11 mountain states and is characterized by an extreme landscape featuring several peaks and extensive river system. And you all know that Himachal Pradesh shares border with the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. So congratulations to the participants and the teachers behind the program. Also thanks to KVS for giving a chance to conduct such a fantastic interactive program. On behalf of the staff and students, as well as both the regions of KVS, I thank Principal in charge, Mr. S.L. Yadav, KV Chamera on Champa district, for agreeing to conduct this program. And now I just remember nearly a few years before, I got a chance to visit Shimla. Such a beautiful and pleasant experience in my life. Recently, one of the students from KVS Ernakulam region became famous by singing the song Champa Kitni Dur. For that, she was honored by the President, Prime Minister, and the Cabinet Ministers of India. Also, she was specially invited by the state. So, by sitting on this platform, we feel we are one. We have to say the great country India, and we salute those who are always working to unite our country. Though various languages, various cultures, the dressing situation of different people, even in one state you can see there are different levels of dressing. So we have to say the most important thing is our thinking. So we all think in a unique manner, and that unique feeling had been transferred to us by our Kendriya Vidyalaya Sanghatana. So now I feel whatever I work in my life for the past many years, it was really satisfied with this one program. So once again, let me thank all the participants, coordinating teachers, as well as principal of KV Chamera. Thank you once again, Mrs. Rupma, to give me a chance to participate in this program. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rama ma'am and Yadav sir, for being with us throughout this program and blessing the students of both the schools to interact successfully with each other and present their programs in front of each other. It needs a lot of courage and self-confidence. So congratulations to the children and to the participating teams. And I would also like to mention a few names of both the schools who happen to be a supporting system to me to organize. So from KV number 1 Chamera, Shri Ghimuram Jarial, PGT Economics, with whom I had a talk nearly 3 months ago, and sir agreed to take permission from principal sir. Then Anita madam, she's PGT English. Shri Chandra Mohan, music teacher. From KV INS Dronacharya, Shrimati Margaret Paul, PGT Economics. Shrimati Anita Sharma, CCA in charge. And yes, of course, the principals of both the schools. So to formally give a vote of thanks and place on record the gratitude, I would like to invite Shrimati Margaret Paul, PGT Economics, Kendriya Vidyalaya, INS Dronacharya, with a vote of thanks.
Good afternoon to all, respected principals, learned teachers, and students of Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 Chamera, Himachal Pradesh, and Kendriya Vidyalaya INS Dronacharya, Kochi, Kerala. It was really a great experience to be a part of this Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat program, as it was highly interactive and informative. Both our students and teachers shared enthusiastically their great ideas and thoughts. Really, it was a great experience. During the session, children were really able to update, recollect, and share a great bonding. On behalf of KV INS Dronacharya, I express my sincere gratitude to the principal of Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 Chamera for being with us and sharing the words of wisdom. I also extend my thankfulness to Principal of KV INS Dronacharya and to all teachers who motivated students and also all enthusiastic students who made this online event a great success. Thank you, one and all. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children, for the wonderful program.
Sir, how to stop recording? Is it? Thank you, everyone. It was a pleasure moment for all of us, and we will cherish these moments throughout our life. So I request all the participants and the dignitaries present here to turn on the videos for a group photo, okay, so that it can be a memory forever that once there was a time we have got a group picture on the virtual mode. I request Chandramohan sir, Ghimuram sir, participant students from Himachal Pradesh and KV INS Dronacharya. And yes, here it goes. I'm still waiting for some people. Aishani and I think Sayuj. Okay, fine. So a few more we can adjust. So Madri, if you can turn on the video. So Madri. Okay. Sir, it's a glare coming. Okay. You know, this is a technology mode, so there was a lot of sunlight coming on my face and on the screen. So what to do, sir? So you take one video, one photo like this. And I'm so thankful क्या कहें कि आज इतना खुशी हो रही है कि देखिए कहाँ नॉर्थ में हिमाचल और कहाँ साउथ में केरला, और आज हम सभी यहाँ बैठ के इंटरैक्शन प्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं। तो all the very best to the children who have spared a precious time from their life to interact and prepare programs, and thanks to teachers, and thanks to both the principals whose guidance and say blessings are there with us. So thank you everyone. Off record अगर किसी ने अभी interact करना है तो कर सकते हैं. I'll stop the recording. So if madam and sir give us permission, so should we tell the children to leave the meeting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.